If you notice, can you see a shiny layer on the top? This is a pia mater. Pia mater. This is the longitudinal fissure. This nodule-like structure are the xyri, and this groove in between are the sulci. Now, this is the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and this is the temporal lobe. Okay. Now, this is the cerebellum. This middle portion look like a little bit like worm. This is the vermis. Vermis. This is the medulla oblongata. Now, if you open it, you will see the baby's bud. I don't know if you can see here. The four structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. These four together is known as tectum or corpora quadrigemina. The upper two are superior, the lower two is the inferior colliculi. If the pointer is here, if you write tectum, that's fine. Or you can write superior, inferior colliculi or corpora quadrigemina, whatever. If you press this, you will see a tongue here. There's a tongue-like structure. If you press it, it's very hard to see now. So this tongue-like structure is the pineal gland. Pineal gland. So this side this much. This is the dura mater actually. I don't want to break it because it's very hard. Can you see the cross here? Crossing? The crossing is very important. Crossing is known as, where is sheep eye? Crossing is the optic chiasma. Where is optic chiasma here? I mean sheep brain. So this is sheep eye.
142.
Okay. Did you find optic chiasma? Okay, it's optic chiasma. Just below, this part is the midbrain. This is the pons, and this is the medulla oblongata. Okay. That's all. Did I miss anything here? Xyri, sulci, fissure. I think I covered more of them. Oh, now inside. If you cut it in the half, this is the half. Okay. In the half, first of all, let me show you. I cut it, and can you see the darker outer portion? This is the cerebral cortex. Go to other page. That side. Cerebral cortex, which is the gray matter. Okay. And the inner white is the cerebral tract. Can you see? See, if I put the pointer here, you should write cerebral tract. This is the cerebral cortex. Now, what are the other structures here? This is the corpus callosum. This is fornix. This cavity in between is the lateral ventricle. What's the name of the covering of lateral ventricle? Septum pellucidum. This round is the what? Thalamus, and in front is the hypothalamus. There is a small cavity here which is known as third ventricle. If you go below, this is the fourth ventricle. And this canal which connect the third with the fourth ventricle, this one, is the cerebral aqueduct. Cerebral aqueduct. Now this is the midbrain, this is the pons, this is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata, pons, this is the midbrain. Now this is cerebellum. If you see, I show you the vermis, right? This is the vermis. Okay. Now this tree-like white tree are the arbor vitae, and the gray leaves are folia. So here the white matter is known as arbor vitae and the gray matter is folia. But in the cerebrum, the gray matter is known as cortex, the white matter is known as tract. So here is also the white tree are the arbor vitae, the gray leaves are the folia. Now the eye, sheep eye. If you go behind, you will feel there's a hard structure here. Can you see this one? I don't know. All of you, very hard. This is the optic nerve. Optic, open sheep eye. Which page? 150. Optic nerve. This white outer portion is known as sclera. The covering of the sclera is conjunctiva. These are all questions, okay? And this transparent is the cornea. Now, if you open it, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Sorry. This is the lens, right? This is the lens. And the black is the iris surrounding it. Now, inside few things. This brown or basement like very thin, can you see this? This is the retina. This is the retina, brown one, okay? Let me cut it down. So if the question is, what's the name of the brown beige color membrane? What should you write? Retina. Okay. Next, if you remove the retina, can you see this bluish shiny layer? All of you. This blue shiny is the irido. Irido shiny layer is tapetum lucidum. The question will be like this. What's the name of the iridescent layer? What's the name? Tapetum lucidum. The black is known as choroid coat. Choroid coat.
That's
now,
the
black, right. This black area. Now here there is two chamber. One is anterior, another is vitreous. So if you see in the front a very little space, I can put my pointer here. Sometimes the dissect, but somewhere here is not very good eye, that's why. Somewhere here is anterior chamber and the whole back. This whole is the vitreous chamber. So this is the anterior chamber. Yes, here. See the anterior chamber. And what is this? Vitreous chamber. So all like this. So again, what is this? Corpus callosum fornix, right? Lateral ventricle, third ventricle, fourth ventricle. Cerebral aqueduct. Thalamus, hypothalamus. Arbor vitae, folia. What's the name of this crossing? Optic chiasm. So please see this again, okay?
So
this is the retina actually, the beige color. What?
For the eye, that the choroid coat lines the vitreous chamber, or no?
And more.